There's number 27, pull up. No good. Number 21 secured the ball. 0-6. To number 26, no good. May high fouled by number 6. Babia. May hawak ng bola. Traveling violation by number 24, Babia. Here's number 26. Layup. Easy basket. Altamirano. Number 77. Easy basket din. Number 26, 27. Ilagan, mai-stealan dito ni Barea. And here's Barea to number 77. Again, back-to-back points. Number 9. To Babia. To Aranja. Aranja again. Steal. And there's Altamirano. Layup. Basket. All four ang ating score. Babia may hawak ng bola. To Aranja. Alley-oop play by number 2. Manalo. Altamirano. Fouled by number 2. Manalo. Ball possession para sa Junior Varsity. There's number 5. Sanchez. To Manalo. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 27. Altamirano. Steal by number 9. And there's Barea. Fouled by number 06. 6-4 ang ating score in favor of Casa Padrid. Barrera. First free throw, no basket. There's the second free throw. Barrera, basket. Number 5, number 05. Pass to 06. To Altamirano. Atake for 2. No basket. Aranja. To Barrera. Pass break. Basket. Number 05 to Altamirano. To Sanchez. 2 points by Sanchez. And there's Babia. Atake. No good. Makukuha dito ng 06. Ilagan. No good. And there's Aranja. Pass to Babia. To Barrera. For 2. Basket. By Barrera. Steal by Barrera. Pero makukuha dito ay Altamirano ang bola. Sasagad. Basket but fouled by number 9, Mayhay. Altamirano. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket pero makakukuha niya pa rin ang bola. There's Ilagan. Basket by number 27, Ilagan. 11-8 ang ating score. Time out para sa kupunan ng Junior Varsity Basketball. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka pos. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga.
When we are back to our ball game, Aranja in the free throw line. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. 12-8 ang ating score. 3-point lead para sa kupunan ng Casa Padrid. Long pass by number 31. Hindi makakukuha dito ng number 16. Babia. To Aranja. Pull up for 3. 3 points para kay Aranja. Number 31. Sanchez, wrong pass. Number 13 makakakuha ng bola. Hindi masasalon dito ni Barrera. Ang long pass ng number 13. Out of bounds. Junior Varsity possession. Paraon, fouled by number 8. And here's Paraon. Makakukuha dito ng number 8 ang bola. And there's Barrera. Atake, Barrera, fouled by number 16, Paraon. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again. Paraon. Matatawagan ulit ng foul doon. At penalty na dito ang Junior Varsity. Number 13, Rancap. In the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First free throw, no basket again. Second free throw. No basket pero number 8 for the 2 points. Altamirano fouled by number 27, Manalang. Binayog, may hawak ng bola. Pass to number 5 to Altamirano. Lay up. What a good step by number 26. Ang dami nung nilusutan. Olok-olok. Tumanalang for 3. No good. Rebound by Aranja. Tukan na yun. Easy 2 points. Lifting violation by number 31, Binayog. We have 3 minutes and 47 seconds dito sa ating first quarter of the game. Olok. Pass to Canayon for 2. No good. Rebound by Rancap. Easy basket para sa number 13. There's Altamirano. Lay up. No good. Rebound by Rancap. Pass to Olok. Pass to Aranja. Aranja, 2 points. 23-10 ang ating score. Abante sa 13 ang kalamangan dito ng Casa Padrid. Binayog, dinadalawa. And there's Rase. Basket count para sa tira dito ni Rase. Rancap for the inbound pass to Olok. Ito ka na yun. Number 27 fouled by number 8. Penalty na. Dito ang junior varsity. And there's Manalang para sa kanya. 2 shots. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Good ball. Ball possession dito sa junior varsity. And here's number 8. Pass to Binayog and fouled by number 8, Canayon. Warning for penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Casa Padrid. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. 23-13 ang ating score. And there's Olok for 2. No good. Number 10. Makukuha ni Manalang ang pasa. And there's Canayon. Pass to Manalang. And there's Manalang for 2. No good. Rancap matatapik. Still. Pass to Olok. And there's Olok. For 2. No good. Sanchez. Pass to Binayog. Wala. Carpio may hawak ng bola. Pass to Olok. Traveling violation. 3 seconds violation para kay number 8. And we have 1 minute and 30 seconds dito sa ating first quarter of the game. Binayog may hawak ng bola. Pass to the number 10. Traveling violation. Binayog may hawak ng bola. Pass to Rase. To Sanchez. Bibigay ulit kay Rase. Mabibitawan ng bola. Ball possession para sa Casa Padrid. Lubigan. May hawak ng bola. Lubigan. Pass to Manalang. At tatawagan dito ng traveling violation. Last 4 to 6 seconds. Stepping on the line. Lubigan ang may hawak ng bola. Tumanalang. For 3, no good. Rase. To Binayog. Pass to Oklima. For 3. 3 points. By Oklima. 19-24 ang ating score. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Casa Padrid. At ito pa. Number 8. To Binayog. Easy 2 points. Run cup. Receive the ball. Last 5 seconds. Manalang fires for 3. No good. Run cup. Oh, basket. At ito ang ating score. 21-24 in favor of Casa Padrid. At dito natatapos ang ating first quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na
And we are back dito sa ating second quarter of the game. Barrera for the inbound. Pass to Pabia. Pabia to number 77. Naranja for 2. Basket count. Flores ang matatawagan dito ng foul. And there's Aranja para sa kanyang 3-point play. Basket complete. 3. 26-21 ang ating score. And here's Babia na istilan dito si number 6. No good. Rebound by number 7. Follow-up shot. Wala pa din. And there's number 6. Traveling violation. Argola. Pass to Babia. Bibigay dito kay Aranja ang bola. To Barrera. Barrera. Aranja full up. Pick. Full up for 2. Basket. There's number 6. Still na naman. Aranja ito. Lay up. Basket count. And fouled by number 6. Pama. Number 6. Number 06. Manalo pala yun. Manalo. Number 06. Number 12. Tumanalo. Mabibitawan dito. Ang number 29 ng bola. Babia dribbling the ball. Pass to Aranja. Aranja. Pull up for 3. 3 points. By number 24. Babia. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Here's number 28. Same ball possession again. Number 28 to number 16. Pass to Pama for 2, no good. And there's number 7, Margola to Barrera. No good. Layup. Follow-up shot by Aranja and fouled by number 29. Basket count. At timeout para sa Junior Varsity at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League. Aranja para sa kanyang 3-point play. No basket. Pargola makakatanggap dito ng offensive foul. Ball possession dito para sa Junior Varsity. Number 5. Pass to Binayog. Wrong pass dito kay Rase. Hindi niya makakukuha yun. And there's Babia. Pass to Aranja. Back to Babia. Pull up for 3. Short. Ball possession para sa Junior Varsity. And there's Sanchez to Altamirano. Matatrap sa gilid. Stepping on the line. Umilaw na yung guhit. And there's Babia dribbling the ball. Pass to Aranja. Atake. Ibibigay kay number 7, Bargola. 2 points para kay Bargola. And there's Binayog. Pass to Rase. Altamirano umikot and fouled by number 7. Bargola again. Napakagandang ikot nun. Tatlo sumabay dito sa number 26 na si Altamirano. First free throw, basket. Second free throw. Basket again. Bargola for the inbound. Binigay dito kay Babia. Pass to Barrera. Barrera, atake. Oh, good. Barrera again. Wala pa din. number 16. Fouled by number 7, Bargola again. Binayog to Altamirano. Atake. Fouled again by number 2, Manalo. Blocking foul. Warning for penalty na dito ang kupunan ng Casa Madrid. 38-22 ang ating score in favor of Casa. First throw para kay Altamirano. Basket. Second free throw. No basket. Rebound by number 2, Manalo. Makukuha ni Binayog ang long pass si Babia. Paraon. Still by Barrera. And there's Babia for the easy 2 points. 40-23 ang ating score. And here's Altamirano again. Altamirano. Fouled by number 21, Quintos. At penalty na dito ang Casa Madrid. Quintos. Papatamahin niya sana dito kay Paraon. Gaso bumalik sa kanya. Out of bounds. Junior varsity ball possession. And there's Binayog. Penalty. Binayog on the free throw line. First free throw. Basket. Second free throw. Barrera, wala pa rin. And there's Quintos. Makukuha na ng bola. Rase. Pass to Binayog. And there's Binayog. Sasagasa. Binayog fouled by number 21, Quintos. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Rebound by Maihai. Pass to Babia. Dribbling the ball. Ibibigay kay Aranja. Pull up for 3. Oh, good. Maihai makakakuha. Easy basket by number 9, Maihai. Binayog, may hawak ng bola. Binayog, pass to Altamirano. Foul na naman. Number 21, Quintos. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. 42-25 ang ating score in favor of Casa Madrid pa din. And we have 4 minutes and 40 seconds dito sa ating second quarter. Babia to number 27. Alley-oop play. Pero lalabas ang bola. Ball possession by Junior Varsity. Lubigan may hawak, tumayhay to number 29. Offensive foul by number 29. And there's number 6. Still by Aranja. And there's Aranja. Mabibitawan dito ni number 29 ang bola. Altamirano. No good. Rebound by Rase. Pass to number 6, Manalo. Wala. And there's Aranja. Aranja nagmamadali. For 2, no good, but fouled by number 06, Manalo. At warning for penalty na dito ang Junior Varsity. First free throw para kay Aranja. Basket. Second free throw. Basket again. And there's Manalo. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Sanchez. Wala. Aranja. Tumanalang. Libre-libre. No basket. And there's Altamirano. For 2, basket. 44-27. Lubigan may hawak ng bola. Out of bounds. Junior Varsity ball possession. Manalo may hawak ng bola. Wrong pass. Makakukuha ni Mahihay. And there's Aranja. To Bargola. No good. Aranja again. For 2. No basket. Rebound by Bargola. Fouled by number 21, Sanchez. First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Aranja layup. Easy 2 points by number 77. And there's Altamirano. Atake na naman. Fouled by Bargola. We have 1 minute and 45 seconds. Time remaining dito sa ating second quarter. First free throw. Second free throw. O basket. Rebound by Tamban. Tumayhay, and there's number 27, Manalang. Easy basket. Manalo, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Altamirano. To Paraon. Paraon pull up. No, ibibigay pala kay Sanchez. And there's number 27, Ilagan. 2 points. 48-30 ang ating score in favor of Casa Padrid. Manalang, tutamban, basket count. Ban fouled by number 16, Paraon. At may chance ang maka 3-point play dito sa ating free throw line. Basket. There's Manalo, dribbling the ball, last 50 seconds. Altamirano may hawak. Tinatrap ng dalawa, ibabalik kay Manalo. Traveling violation by Manalo. And there's Tamban for the inbound. Pass to Lubigan. To Manalang, and there's Manalang for 2, no good. Rebound by Manalang again. May high for 2, wala pa rin. Out of bounds, same ball. Last 30 seconds. Tamban for the inbound. Pass to Bargola. Makukuha dito ni Manalang for 2, no good. Rebound by Sanchez. Pero makukuha ulit ni Manalang dito. 2 points by number 27. Long pass. Last 10 seconds. Out of bounds. Ball possession dito sa Casa Padrid. Last 6 seconds. May high. For the buzzer beater. No basket. And this is our score. 30-53 in favor of Casa Padrid. At dito nagtatapos ang ating second quarter of the game. And this is the last free throw. No basket. Second. No basket again. Again, 30-53 ang ating score in favor of Casa Padrid. At dito nagtatapos ang ating second quarter of the game.
Pa rin tayo dito sa basketball court ng Bagong Bayan. That end the day 3 of the San Pablo City Basketball Tournament 16 under division. The junior varsity is having a match against Casa Padrid Team Bay with a halftime score of 30-51 in favor of Casa Padrid Team Bay. By the way, I am Diana reporting on the court side of junior varsity. Following their first game last Sunday, junior varsity is now facing their opponent head-on with the adjustments they have done to avoid the errors they have committed in their last game. Ayon nga kay Coach Joshua, they had their training for a day as a tune-up and preparation for this game. Alam nilang strength ang kalaban nila, kaya naman the team opted to zone. Maganda ang ipinakitang performance ng team during the first quarters na rin sa nakatulong dito ang attitude at mindsetting ng mga players while they are inside the four corners of the court. Coach Joshua reminded these players to play the game with fun and enjoyment at iwasan ang pagsisisihan while the ball is still dribbling. Mahabol pa kaya ng junior varsity ang kalamangan na puntos ng kanilang kalaban at makuha ang unang pagkapanalo dito sa ating liga? Abangan natin yan sa dulo ng ating laro at para naman pakinggan ang ulat mula sa kanila sa isang kupanan, nandito ang aking co-courtside reporter na si Shara.
Thank you, Diana. The game happening now is the second game of Team Bay. And sa unang game pa lamang, nagpakitang gilas na sila with their skills, chemistry inside the court. And now on their second game, nakikitaan natin sila ng kalamangan na naging resulta ng kanilang depensa, connection and discipline inside the court. Coach Otep is always pointing about their right positioning on their or focusing in their specific role inside the court. Have a match-up or player na babantayan during the entire game as part of their defense strategy while securing a point. Gusto ding ipapanood at ipa-observe ni Coach Otep sa mga players on the court side ang sistemang ginagawa ng mga players inside the court for them to also be aware of what they will do to properly execute the strategy na gustong ipa-execute ni Coach Otep. Will they ace this game until the end of this game? Yan ang abangan natin sa second half ng larong ito. Kaya tutok lang sa ating Facebook live stream. And with that, back to the ball game.
At welcome back dito sa ating third quarter of the game. Junior varsity ball possession. Panayog, Pastor Rase, pull up for 3. 3 points by Rase. And there's number 26, Olok to Barrera, fouled by number 31, Minayog. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, basket. 54-33 ang ating score. Binayog. Receive the ball. Pull up for 3. Wala. Sila pa rin makakakuha. And there's number 8 to Binayog again. 3 seconds violation. Olok may hawak ng bola. Pass to Barrera. To run cap. Mabibitawan. And there's number 26. Dire-diretso lang. Rebound by number 22. Pass to Olok. To Kanayon. To number 22. Wala. Binayog lang pass. Mabibitawan dito ng number 28. And there's Barrera. Atake, Barrera, basket. 2 points by Barrera. 56-33. Binayog. Pastor Rase, pull up for 3, no good. And there's Manalo. Binayog again. Still by Barrera. Barrera nagmamadali. Atake, Barrera. Easy basket by Barrera. 58-33 ang ating score. Binayog. Pass to number 28. Full up for 3. No basket. Olok may hawak. And there's Barrera. Layup again. Left-handed. Easy basket na naman. Binayog. May hawak ng bola. Screen by Rase. Pull up for 2. No good. And there's number 8. Pass to Olok. To Barrera na naman. Barrera. No good. but fouled by number 5, Rase. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, no basket again. Rebound by Binayog. Binayog nagmamadali. Layup, oh good. And Binayog fouled by number 22, Luntok. Altamirano for the inbound. Pass to Binayog. And there's number 12. Back to Binayog. To Rase. Binayog again. Pull up for 3. No basket. Shot clock violation para sa kupunan ng Junior Varsity. Olok may hawak ng bola. Pass to Barrera. Traveling violation by number 12, Barrera. Rase. Pass to Binayog. To Altamirano. Atake. Pull up for 3. Barrera makakakuha ng rebound. There's Barrera. Pass to Rancap. And there's Altamirano to Rase. Pre-layup. No basket. Lontok pa makakakuha ng bola. And there's Barrera. Long pass to Rancap. Layup. Sinubo lang yung bola doon sa ibabaw ng ring. Basic na basic. Binayog to Rase. Pull up for 3. Oh good. Altamirano to Binayog. Altamirano again. Atake for 2. No good. Lontok. May hawak ng bola. And there's Barrera. Traveling violation. Time out para sa kupunan ng Junior. Para sa kupunan ng Casa Padrid at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet League Basketball, liga.
And we are back to our ball game. Klima for the inbound to Altamirano. Pull up for 3. By number 21. No good. And there's Manalo. Secure the ball. Pass to Bargola. Out of bounds. Junior Varsity ball possession. And there's Altamirano. May hawak ng bola. Pass to Rase. Back to Altamirano. Ma-i-steal dito ni Aranja. Pass to Carpio. Left-handed layup. Easy basket. 64-33 ang ating score. 31 na ang kalamangan dito. Kupunan ng Casa Padrid. Altamirano. To Sanchez. Mabibitawan pa. And there's oh good. And there's Carpio. 2 points by Carpio. Flores may hawak ng bola. Pass to Sanchez. Back to Flores. To Altamirano. To Rase, full up for 3. Oh good. And there's Quintos. Mai-stealan dito ni Flores. And Flores fouled by number 21. Quintos. Sobrang tuwa ng coach ng Casa Padrid dito sa number 21 nila. The big man. Out of bounds. Ball possession by Casa Padrid. You have 3 minutes and 42 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Number 77, Aranja to Carpio. Carpio. 2 points na naman. Flores. To Paraon. To Altamirano. Altamirano spin for 2. No good. Good ball. Ball possession to Casa Padrid. Aranja may hawak ng bola. Traveling violation. Sanchez for the inbound. Pass to Altamirano. Ibibigay dito kay Paraon. Paraon. To Sanchez. To Oclima. Still. And number 77, Aranja, fouled by number 29. Aranja to Quintos, pull up for 3, no good. Sanchez makakakuha ng bola, pass to Paraon, to Altamirano. Altamirano nagmamadali for 2, no good. But fouled by number 2, Manalo. First throw by Altamirano. Basket. Second free throw. No basket. Manalo for the rebound. Aranja to Carpio. 2 points na naman dito sa number 17 na si Carpio. Still by Aranja. And Aranja fouled by number 26. At malapit na mag-penalty situation dito ang Junior Varsity. Aranja. Ihawak ng bola. Pull up for 3. No good. Aranja ulit. Mapupunta ang bola. To Bargola. Bargola fouled by number 21, Sanchez. At penalty na dito ang Junior Varsity. First free throw dito ni Bargola, no basket. And this is the second free throw. No basket again. Ball possession, Junior Varsity.
1 minute and 48 seconds. 70-35.
Number 27, Ilagan. Pass to Sanchez. 2 points. What a nice pass by number 27. There's number 77, Aranja. Pass to Quintos. Mai-steal ni Altamirano. No basket but fouled by number 77, Aranja. 2 free throws para kay Altamirano. And we have 1 minute and 22 seconds dito sa ating third quarter of the game. 36-70. 37-70 ang ating score in favor of Casa Madrid. First free throw, no basket. And this is the second free throw, no basket again. Altamirano again. Wala. Quintos makakakuha. And here, Carpio for 2. No good. Carpio again. Wala na naman. Number 7 fouled by Sanchez. First free throw. Basket. Last 1 minute and 7 seconds. No basket. Ball possession dito sa kupunan ng Junior Varsity. Last 1 minute and there's Ilagan. Carpio to Aranja. May still out of bounds. Ball possession to Casa Madrid. .52 seconds. Traveling violation. 49 seconds. Ilagan. Pass to Sanchez. Pull up for 3, no good. Aranja may hawak ng bola. To Bargola. Easy basket. Marcelo may hawak ng bola. Pass to Ilagan. May steal dito ni Manalo. Manalo to Aranja. Aranja for 2. Basket. Another 2 points. 75-37. Here's number 11. Sanchez for 3. No basket. And this is our score. 37-75 in favor of Casa Madrid. At dito nagtatapos ang ating third quarter of the game.
Velvet Daily. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Velvet Daily. Ipakita mo.
Welcome dito sa ating fourth and final quarter of the game. Pinayog. To Marcelo, full up for 3, no basket, out of bounds. And there's Rancap for the inbound. Number 27. Tulontok, no good. Rancap, wala pa din. Ilagan. Rebound by Lontok. To Rancap. To Tamban. Out of bounds. Marcelo for the inbound. Pass to Binayog. Binayog spin. Naghanap ng papasaan. Marcelo. To number 27, Ilagan. Fouled by number 29.
Third person foul, first team foul.
First free throw, basket. Second free throw, no basket. Tamban makakakuha ng bola. There's Tamban, out of bounds. Ball possession to Junior Varsity. And there's Binayog dribbling the ball. Pass to Marcelo. Back to Binayog. To number 27, Ilagan. Fouled by number 29, Bargola.
Fourth personal foul, second team foul. Shot clock 14. Number 8,
Marcelo for 3, no basket. Run cap, makakakuha. And there's Manalang for 2, no basket. Lontok, wala pa din. Run cap, wala pa din. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Junior Varsity. 75-38 pa din ang ating score. Binayog, may hawak ng bola. Binayog. And there's number 27, Ilagan for 3, no basket. Number 22. To Rangkap. Basket. 2 points by Rangkap. 77-38 ang ating score. Binayog. Wala pa din. Manalang. Tutamban, fouled by number 12.
first personal foul, first team foul.
First free throw. No basket. Second free throw. No basket again. Marcelo makakakuha ng bola pero matatapik dito ni Manalang. Long pass to number 29. Bargola mabibitawan. Out of bounds. Junior Varsity ball possession. 7 minutes. Our time remaining dito sa ating fourth and final. Binayog again, dribbling the ball. Pass to Manalo. Back to Manalo again, atake. No. Number 11 para sa easy basket, 2 points. At timeout dito ang Casa Madrid at magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Di nako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, liga, liga.
And we are back to our ball game. Lubigan, maiistilan dito ni Manalo. And there's Manalo, lay up. 2 points by Manalo. Olok. Tumayhay. No basket. Olok pa rin makakakuha. And Olok fouled by number 8, Marcelo.
First personal foul, second team foul.
First free throw, basket. Second free throw, no basket. Ball possession to Junior Varsity. 78-42 ang ating score at ang ating time remaining 6 and 12 seconds. At bago matapos itong fourth and final quarter natin, ay nais ko lamang shoutout si ang pinakamagaling at pauging referee dito sa San Pablo City na si Sir Ricky Enriquez at sa kanilang San Pablo City Referee Association of Laguna or SPCRA o referee ng mga champion. Please support and like at pakipollow na rin ang kanilang FB page. At special mention and shout out sa ating mga special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines. Sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Dutch Delight, Blue Steel, City Hon. Again, special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines. Sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Blue Steel, City Councilor Juan Cormela Acevedo with Acevedo Optical, JJ Autocare Services, Tinas Takoyaki at kay Mr. Chairman Robin Norbarha. And this Velvet D-League San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JJ Maghirang. At shout out sa lahat ng ating viewers na nanonood ngayong gabi sa kanilang bahay. Stay tuned lang hanggang matapos ang ating 7th game of the